Professor, welcome. It is always great to see you.
Hi, Tyler. Great to see you.
I'm going to start with sort of the one that may be a little more technical, and that is home builders. If you've got housing starts declining, if you've got home builder sentiment dropping, doesn't that put a problem, a wrench, a spanner in the gears for the future, especially when overall we don't have much inventory coming on the market? Talk to me about that.
Yeah, well, I teach economics, and one of the fundamental principles is that when demand goes up, when prices go up, there's a supply response, but we're not seeing that. I think it may be at a point of uncertainty at this point. We should be seeing home prices going up in destination areas, and then then there will be a supply response, and it will come back down. That's not a disaster. That's the way the economy is supposed to work.
So why aren't builders building?
Yeah, you'd have to ask the builders. But my idea is that it takes time to change your. We're living in a period when we've discovered that we can work remotely, and that means that we want to build. We want houses in beautiful places. So like Miami or Tampa. Which led our Shiller price indexes when we announced them a couple of weeks ago. Those places are seeing a demand increase. It's quite strong. But how long does it take builders to start coming up with new projects to expand the supply there?
So it obviously it's not a turn on the switch kind of thing. Increase your production line as you might at an automaker from X units per hour to Y units per hour. These are longer term things. You look at Miami, you look at Tampa, you look at Montana, right. You look at some of the areas that are, as you say, desirable. Now let's get to the question of home prices. They have risen dramatically over the past couple of years. That seems to be slowing down. It is very rare in the United States, isn't it, Professor, for home prices actually nationally to decline? And are we looking at that now?
We might be. The Chicago Mercantile Exchange Futures Market National Home Price Index, based on our indexes, is in backwardation. So that's consistent with the idea that maybe people are expecting home prices to go down, or at least are sufficiently worried about home prices going down so that they'd be willing to take that kind of futures price.
Are we looking at something on the order potentially of 2008? I keep reading, hearing that consumers' balance sheets are so much better than they were back then. There is so much less leverage in the market. There is more caution. And so you might not expect to see the kind of foreclosure crisis that propelled or sunk prices the way they did in 2008.
Well, yeah, although I don't forecast the recession of the century, as some people call that.
Yep.
But I think that it does happen that home prices fall below their below the mortgage balance, and then that's when people have an incentive to default.